If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.
KC is on the clock in 3, 2, 1. Good luck, Kelly.
Hey Baltimore, my name is Kelly Conroy, and I just want to share with you my love of Baltimore sports. Growing up, the Ravens weren't here, and I didn't have a team in Baltimore. I heard all about the Mayflower, and then in '96, I had the pleasure of welcoming the Baltimore Ravens into town, and thank you, Art Modell. Before that, I was with the Cowboys. I loved them. My brother loved them. My family loved them. And then we met the Ravens, so we now bleed black and purple. Baltimore football, since '96, has had a pretty consistent defense. And it's the exact reason that we won the 2000 championship. You know, I'm biased. I'm a Baltimore fan, so I can say that. We had the best defense in the history of the NFL. As for our offense, we were really inconsistent. A lot of quarterbacks, we just were trying to find that missing piece to the puzzle, whether it be Vinny Testaverde, Jim Harbaugh, Tony Banks, Trent Dilfer, Elvis Grbac, Kyle Bowler, and then we met Joe Flacco. Oh my goodness, and I'm a huge fan of Joe Flacco. I have never let him out of my love. I appreciate him. I think he's great, and hopefully you'll hear more about that at some point. But repeat trips to the playoff, and just overall, season long, just different consistencies. And what a pleasure to have somebody that we could depend on offensively to throw that ball and do what we have to do. He, quote unquote, stepped up to the plate in 2010 and proved to us, the Baltimore fans, that he too could be elite. And the same year is when Buck Showalter came to the Baltimore Ravens, and he showed that our Orioles could definitely play like a Raven. And 2 consistent winning seasons. He's been here for 4 years. We've played under Buck Showalter. We played 465 games, 243 wins, 222 losses. I mean, the winning seasons compared to 14 consecutive losing seasons, empty seats in the stadium, people not even proud to wear their orange and black. And now you see it everywhere. This season, the first 3-game sweep in 2013 was the New York Yankees. And it was bittersweet. And you all know it was. It was like the Ravens beating the Steelers in a huge game. And we just did it just because we can. We're talented. Offensively, defensively, consistent. Shout out to Chris Davis and Manny Machado. Now, as a Baltimore sports junkie in this year, 2013, I couldn't be more proud than to call the Baltimore Orioles and the Baltimore Ravens my home team. I am proud to call Baltimore my city. I am just the happiest Baltimore sports fan in Baltimore, and you need to know that. 14 seasons of nothing happening with the Baltimore Orioles, and then it happened, and now it's like you're excited to watch all 9 innings, and you're excited to be a Baltimore Orioles fan. And the Baltimore Ravens, Vontae Leach, they say that New York Giants don't have the money for him. He looks good in Miami. Well, I think he needs to be in Baltimore. I think that his head crushing is something that we need to have on the Baltimore Ravens offensive side of the ball. Now let's go back to the Orioles. Chris Davis. Beast. That's all you have to really say about him. I mean, all these home runs, 31 already, on track to go well over 70 in my eyes. And then Manny Machado with his doubles. He's a double master. The double man. Manny Machado. I'm so happy to be a Baltimore Ravens fan. And more than anything in the world, I would love to thank Nestor and WNST for the opportunity to do something that I hold near and dear to my heart. And I hope I didn't condiff this one. I've been working really hard on trying to think of something to say that would get your attention. Thanks again.
You good? Mm-hmm. All right, there she goes. She needs more water. That's all right. Good job. No worries. For you, more than anything, you
If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.